Da, 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 da. Wow. Back and I'm better than ever. What's happening, y'all? Welcome to Becker Health. In this channel, I break down fitness, nutrition, and health in a way that is simple, effective, and fun. And if you're all about optimizing your body and making the best of your fitness and just life, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get to this, baby. Let's get through this. If you've seen my last video, you know that I've been using Whoop to track my sleep and recovery. But I decided to put the Oura ring into the mix so I can see what it really has to offer, because I heard it has a lot of good things. Unlike Whoop, the Oura ring is small, sleek, and designed to track health data 24/7 without feeling like you are wearing a fitness tracker. It's also known for super accurate sleep tracking and readiness score. So I'm very excited to see how it fits into my daily health routine. Enough talking, let's finally get to open this thing. Whee. Oh my gosh, let's see this, let's go. Okay, so of course this is the package from the Ups place. This is what it says in the front. Health is beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. Let's go. Let's see, okay. Okay, I did. Oh my gosh, did that. The sun is glaring just right on me. Let's see here. Ah! Here is the beauty. Who doesn't like gold? Is a real question. Okay, charger. That is. Same regular adapter. Not too big, pretty neat. The box. Show the ring. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. Yeah, baby. The ring. Okay. Very sleek. And just, oh, that's focused on pretty well. This is it. I decided to get it in this. Here. Charger, of course. Cord. Nice little signs. I'll have to read into that later to see all the tips and tricks. Might just have to watch a video, because god damn, that's very tiny word. Here's the cord, the charger. Okay, we'll put all that aside for now. Before Oura actually sent me the ring, they sent me this sizing kit to try it out. And so this is my size I'm actually taking off right now. This is a 10. This is a number 10 size. Yep, number 10 right there. Da, 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 da. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna see. I'm excited for this thing, man. Heck yeah. Looks sleek. I'm part of the gang. Let me get back into the sizing kit here, because that is important. So as you can see here, it came with plastic ring sizers so I could test which one felt best on my finger. And number 10, as you saw, really did pretty good. And since Oura tracks heart rate, HRV, and sleeping, getting the right fit is really important for accurate data. I did wear that test ring for a while, and what you can also do is go to Best Buy, I believe, and just get a free sizing kit like this, and you get to wear it for however long you want until you're ready to actually go get the actual ring. The Oura ring is packed with features that go beyond just fitness tracking. and here's what I'm excited for. The first thing here is advanced sleep tracking, sleep latency, efficiency, and sleep disturbance. Readiness score gives me a daily score based on HRV, body temperature, and sleep quality to tell me if I should push harder or take a chill pill, aka recovery day. Activity and recovery monitoring tracks movement, step count, and recovery patterns to help me optimize how much activity my body can handle. I've got a visitor. I will be back. Ooh. Let's get this thing finished, y'all. Heart rate and HRV tracking helps monitor stress level, overall heart health, and recovery from workouts. Next up is body temperature trends. Monitors fluctuation in body temperature, which can indicate things like training, illness, and workout trends. Up next, daily mindfulness and readiness check-ins. That's pretty good. Helps track how stress, sleep, and activity impact my mental and physical performance. Because this will be my first time using Oura, I have some expectations for what it will be helping me with. Over the next 2 weeks, I will be testing it out in different areas of my life, including from the time I'm up to exercising, to going to work, to sleeping and coming back home, or going back to bed. What I'm hoping to gain from it is these things: tracking my sleep and improving my recovery. I'll be testing Oura sleep tracking to see what results it really gives me, or how accurate they actually are. Workout and recovery optimization, using the readiness score to determine if I should go all out or take a recovery day. Stress and mindfulness recovery. Using the HRV and body temperature trends, I want to see what that really can do for me. I wasn't always a big fan of naps because I just felt like I just gotta get my day going. There's no time to sleep, but nap can be very important. So I look forward to using that function as well, because short naps can improve daily productivity. And I'm excited to actually see what I should be doing to get the best in making that whole day worth it. Next up is daily journaling and performance tracking. And that stuff, I really want to just journal everything that goes throughout my day and see the performance for writing that stuff down and see if I'm sticking to what I'm actually writing down, if I've accomplished it throughout the day with all my other activities going on. Y'all probably asking, let's get to the juicy stuff. For sure, we'll get to it, the stuff that matters. Oura comes at a premium price. Let me go through that. Oura Ring is a premium health tracker. And like Whoop, it does work with a subscription model. Here is what you need to know. Oura Ring, one-time purchase, $299 to $549. That is depending on the model, so that's why that price range is so big. Monthly membership, $599 per month to track performance and just data monitoring. Unlike Whoop, you do buy the hardware up front, but you still need a subscription to unlock all the data and the Atlantics. Oh God, how do I say that dang word? Analytics. The analytics. If you are interested in trying the Oura Ring, I have linked it down below. And also make sure to try my other affidavit links, because it will really help me out with all the other stuff. Everything I use within my life when it comes to health is down there. That stuff helps me able to sit here and help you out. Thank you. Now that I have unboxed it, I am super excited to start testing it out to see what it really does when it comes to my health, my sleep, my workouts, recovery, and especially when I'm in the field hammering things down in the carpentry. I just got to see what it really has to offer, and I'm excited to even start comparing it to the Whoop, and I'm excited to start giving you a full analysis of it once I've used it enough. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Also, let me know if you have used the Oura ring or even the Whoop, because I would love to know and see what you guys are saying about it. And if you found this video fun, helpful in any way, shape, or form, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button to see more stuff. And always remember to stay healthy. Peace. And peace, birdies.